Alright, so I got Ferrari GTC4 Lusso, you know, to inspect. Just go have a look. It's 2019. It is Ferrari dealership. I have a feeling it is this car, you know, but let's go inside. Let's go inside, we'll have a look. It's a V8 twin turbo. Morning. Can I speak with George?
George?
Yeah.
He has literally just popped out actually, yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
If you could tell him, it's Klaus, it's regarding to GTC4 Lusso inspection for today.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Do you mind if I record arrival process and documentation check?
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Cool. Just asking permission.
Yeah, no worries, no worries. Yeah, what do you need to arrival process?
Just I will have a look at the paperwork and the bureaucracy stuff, both keys, check the service history, that sort of stuff.
Yeah, I mean, most of it is all the Ferrari system, obviously with Ferraris they come with
I know.
service plan anyway. So.
Yeah, I just want to have a look at the service history, you know, just the standard stuff. Are you guys busy?
Yeah.
Oh, so I think you're the closest one in the Kent somewhere.
We're the only one. Yeah, it's only 12 days in the whole UK. So, but because Ferrari values are going their way up and stocks coming down, it's a very buoyant market. Everyone's buying. So. Cars there just on the end.
I think I noticed it would be that one. I just feel so tired today. I had a long day yesterday. Still feeling, you know, these rusty mornings, you know? Cool. Do you mind having a look at if you've got service history?
The book's probably in the car actually, so yeah.
Service book.
Yeah.
Do you have V5C?
Probably digitally, yeah.
Yeah, if you do you mind just window trying to just check the VIN numbers if there's the
One sec.
and then I can just double check on a car, you know, it's just...
Are you okay to have a look at the car and I'll grab the paperwork in a second? I just need to get set up.
Yeah, I can start having a look in the car, but I just want to clear the paperwork first, otherwise I will just get in, it's going to be like 3 hours, I will forget about it.
Bear with us.
Yeah.
You've got a coffee, do you want a drink?
Oh, thank you so much, I got it, yeah. I covered myself on the way. broken key, you know. Alright, while they're looking for the paperwork, let me just go and have a look on this car. It's a bit rainy day, so luckily I'll take some pictures. Luckily, it's kind of half on the roof. Take some pictures. No shade matches, mismatches, that's good. That is good. That's locking. That's locking. Okay. Nice alloys, nicely refurbed. Protective foam. These ones come with nice spec, you know. Sort of partly 4-wheel drive. Ceramic. So it's 2019, you know, 6 years. Reasonably. Rear pants getting low. Halfway. Just double check all these little stuff while they're getting the paperwork ready, you know. Will save me overall time. Will save me overall time. Nice interior, nowhere. That's what I like to see. It doesn't look abused. It's unusual you've got power tailgate for the Ferrari, you know. It's unusual for Ferrari to have a boot. So it's got, yeah, the paperwork, some of the paperwork are here. That's good. I will check that. I might not even need one. Let's just check the blades. I don't know how they can unlock this so awkwardly fitted. There's not much of the grip when the battery is flat, you know.
That's the ball game.
Cool. This is so awkwardly done, I don't know how they manage to open it when the battery gets flat with that little thing.
Oh yeah.
I will give you to sign to the my
What's
phone.
the battery in one of the keys?
Sorry?
One of the key batteries.
No, I'm just saying the blade is so thin, awkward.
Yeah.
When the battery
Oh,
gets
yeah,
flat
yeah,
and the
yeah,
door
very
is just so like
Oh,
just cutting my
you're
fingers.
just testing the key blade, yeah?
If they work, sometimes
Oh,
they don't work.
Fine, yeah,
You got one of that thing broken off one of the spare remotes. The little
Oh, right, yeah.
clicky thing.
Yeah. Yeah. But then, yeah, it's got the spare one there,
yeah.
right?
I mean, yeah, that was on it,
okay.
and on one of them it wasn't attached.
Right.
It was. Is George sort of coming? Oh, he's.
No, he's tied up for the minute.
Oh, that's
Oh,
fine.
yeah.
I would just give it them to sign my form to allow me to do the inspection. You can just put your name. You can put just Sevenoaks Ferrari. You know. Did Andy? Did he came to see it? Oh, you're not aware. You're not dealing with the cell.
Did he?
Did Andy came and had a look at the
Yeah,
car?
yeah, of course, yeah. Yeah, he's been on. He's driven the car as well.
Thanks so much.
Right.
Regards to at some point after a few hours, what's your road test policy for the road test?
Road test. We can do it in the company one.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah,
Yeah.
just yeah.
And
You need my
what's-
ID.
We'll have to put you onto our insurance.
Yeah. Yeah,
Unless you've got proof of.
I've got my own one. It's just some wants to use their own one just because on my one would not be fully comp under trading policy. My one would be third party. So that means
your license and passport.
I don't normally take passport with me, but I got my driving license. Yeah. It's the first time ever somebody asked me a passport.
Yeah, because of the value of our
In 7
cars,
years.
they need passports.
For the road test.
Yeah, to get you onto our insurance, unless.
I might have a copy somewhere in email.
See what you've got. We'll set that up and for you in a moment. All right.
All right, so let me switch this off and crack on.